Today I'm using the DIOR Forever Skin Perfect. This is 2N neutral for light skin with neutral undertones. And it says that this is perfect 24-hour multi-use foundation stick. I purchased this for $70 at Sephora.ca, and Sephora.com it is $52. Now this claims to be heat and humidity resistant and that it's supposed to have a blurring effect. And apparently you can use this for a foundation or a primer, and this will give you a natural finish. So first, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is my absolute go-to for primer, and this is a 2-in-1. It's a primer and moisturizer. So I'm just going to spread it evenly on the face. Okay, so instead of just drawing this on my face, I'm actually going to put some on the back of my hand. I know, it defeats the purpose of having a stick foundation. But I do find that the heat from your hand helps it spread evenly. Okay, so I can honestly say this isn't as good as the Charlotte Tilbury, in my opinion, but it is applying wonderfully. It does not have a whole lot of coverage, although I do believe that you can build it up. Okay. This definitely has a luminous texture, so it does have a little bit of a shine. Well, that is the foundation. I'm going to quickly finish the rest of my makeup and I will return for the final result. Okay, so this is the final look. I am super impressed with this foundation. I think it applied beautifully. Now the question is, how will it wear? I am going for dinner to my brother-in-law's and with a bunch of my nieces and nephews. So I will check in with you a bit later and let you know how it's wearing. See you in a bit. Okay, so it is almost 8:30 at night. It's been about 6 hours and I have to say it has held up very well. Now, I did go to my brother-in-law's and got some snuggles from my little niece. Actually, she's my second niece. She's my niece's little girl. So always love seeing her. And we had our nice big turkey dinner. So I had a lot of fun there. And yeah, I'm really impressed with this makeup. It held out very well. No peeling on the nose, no dry spots. So yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed. So that's all I have, you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this foundation, and if you have, let me know what you think of it. How did it wear for you? If you haven't done so yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.